Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Alibaba. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. Now click on the sign up button at the top right corner in order to create your new account. Then choose your country or region and choose your trade role. Then enter your preferred email address within the email address box and then type in your desired login password. Then enter this password once again for confirmation and then enter your company name. Finally type in your full name followed by your phone number. Then swipe the slider to the right to verify and then click on the I agree checkbox. Now click on agree and register and you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So log into the email address that you just entered and you will find the verification code sent to you from Alibaba. Just type in this verification code within the given box and click on the submit button. And now you will be signed up to your newly created account on Alibaba right away. And now you can start to sell and buy products on the platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.